Hi, welcome to this video from Techcanvass. In this video, which I wanted to do for some time, I'm going to look at business analysis, business analyst, and their relationship with analytics. There's a lot of confusion in terms of is analytics same as business analysis or they're completely different. So I wanted to have this video so that I can clarify whatever I wanted to say about this topic. My name is Abhishek Srivastava. I'm an author, a blogger, an experienced and an IT professional. I also happen to write a few books which are shown here. These books are available on Amazon. Let's try and understand business analysis and analytics with the help of understanding what is business need. So business need is the origin of all the projects or all the changes which happen in an organization. The business need can be a result of a problem or an opportunity which is existing in the market so that the businesses can tap those opportunities or solve the problem to grow further and remain competitive. So we look at a problem to really understand what I'm talking about. Let's say, for example, a business or a company is looking to create a marketplace for selling medicines or drugs online. This is an untapped opportunity in India, and many of the companies have started their operations, have started their online presence, or they're in the process of doing it. So this is a new and emerging market, and there are a lot of possibilities here. So let's say, for example, company ABC Inc. is looking to create that marketplace. This is an opportunity which they want to tap. So they will engage people who will be able to address that problem and help them in tapping this opportunity. So, how do we go about it? First of all, the company which is going to build this solution has to look at what does this particular opportunity mean. So, if you look at this particular problem, it means when you create a marketplace for selling medicine online, this means you're allowing customers to order online. You also want to authenticate the customer so that they don't keep on buying prescription drugs without having a valid prescription. What are the delivery limits? Can there be bulk order possible? How do you stock up medicine so that they can be delivered to the customer in the minimum possible time? Managing the orders and many other features which are required for selling the medicines online. So this is defining the problem as to what is to be done. What is the next step? The next step is to see how these problems can be addressed or how this can be implemented. So for that, possibly you need to create an online website, which is so obvious. You need to set up a call center where people can call in case of there is a problem. It might include setting up a warehouse. It could include agreement for last mile delivery. That means delivering it from the main center to the local colonies and societies, and managing the finances by having a financial accounting system. The last step would be to validate whether the solution is really addressing that problem. Is the company able to sell the medicines online? So essentially, what we are talking about is any business problem can be solved in three stages, or will have three different stages to solve it. What of the problem, defining what is to be done, creating the solution, how this problem can be resolved, and then validating whether the solution has been able to solve the problem or not. So any business problem will have these three stages in order to solve them. So when you talk about business analysis as a profession, we are talking about these three things where you are looking at what, how, and validation of the solution. So this is very basic understanding of what is business analysis. The next step would be to now look at different flavors of professionals who conduct these business analysis activities. And that was the focus of this video, as to create the awareness. And the focus of this video was to look at different flavors of business analyst professionals who are involved in the business analysis activity. The first flavor of that is an IT business analyst, IT business analyst. An IT business analyst is a profession which is involved in defining what is to be done and then being part of the team which validates once the solution is ready. Let's understand it a little better. So, as an IT business analyst, a professional has to get involved in identifying what is the business need, converting them into detailed requirements using different modeling techniques like UML model, prototyping, and various other skills, so that the technology team or the team of programmers can develop a solution and write the programs for it. Once the solution is ready, then the business analyst has to validate it before handing it back to the customer for their testing. This is the role of an IT business analyst. So where does analytics come into picture? Let's try and understand analytics using the problem which we have been talking about, that is selling medicines online. But now consider the solution has been implemented and it's in production. People have been ordering medicines and they're getting delivered. Now the company is facing another challenge. The challenges are the feedbacks which the company is getting on social media from various cities. So they find out that people in Pune are complaining a lot. There's a lot of negative feedbacks are being posted on the social media. Another problem which they are facing is, in spite of massive campaigns, sale is not picking up in Delhi. Another problem which they are facing, the orders in Mumbai are growing at a very, very rapid pace. But the rate is so fast, there is a danger that they will not be able to keep up with the orders. So they want to now know in advance what is the pattern of order going to be for the next 3 months or 6 months. So in order to do that, now these are the three problems which the company is facing. So now they want to address these problems. So let's, for example, look at, in spite of massive campaigns, let's pick up one as an example, saying in spite of massive campaigns, sale is not picking up in Delhi. First of all, it needs to be understood as to what are these campaigns, which are these campaigns, where are these campaigns happening, which are the customer segment which are being targeted. So basically, we are trying to understand what is the problem. And then, how will you solve this problem? This problem will be solved by analyzing the data to understand which campaign on which delivery channel is not working, so that it can be pinpointed about that. This is only possible if we look at and dig deeper into the campaign data and then perform trend analysis to see the performance over time. Are we able to see the trend so that we will be able to finalize it? So analytics is essentially talking about solving a problem, finding the solution to a problem using the data analysis algorithms. So this is concerned with how part of the problem. Of course, validation is something which is always involved in any kind of business analysis profession. So let's summarize it. So business analysis is all about problem solving. It includes what, how, and validate stages of problem solving. Analytics deal with data analysis and various algorithms to create solution and blah blah